How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Miss Parvati Chaugule, your first grade English teacher. Students, in last class, what we have learned? Yes, we have completed Manu and his family, and we have also completed evaluate, that is exercise. Yes, isn't it? Yes. So, students, today we are going to learn a poem. Do you like poem? Yes, I too like poem. Students, before going to begin with our poem, first of all, I will ask you some questions and you have to give me answer. Okay? My first question is, children, answer me, how many eyes do we have? Tell? Yes, we have 2 eyes. Now, tell me, how many hands do we have? Yes, we have 2 hands. And now tell, how many legs do we have? Yes, we have 2 legs. Students, one more question. Answer me, how many fingers do we have? Yes, we have 10 fingers. So, students, now we will start our poem. Name of our poem is All of Me. Okay, what's our name of the poem? Yes, name of our poem is All of Me. A-L-L. All. O-F of M-E. Me. It's all of me. So, students, now you look around yourself. Okay? You look around yourself. Do you see same person like you? Exactly same person like you? Do you see around you? No, we don't see around us the same person like us. So, how do you feel by seeing this? Nobody around you is just like you. You will feel special, isn't it? Yes, we feel special when we see around us nobody like us. Okay, so students, before going to start this poem, I would like to show you one video. Okay, listen to it carefully. Now sit straight, keep your textbook, pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. So students, before going to read this poem, first of all, we will see one video. Okay, be ready.
It's poem time. Let's listen to All of Me. See my eyes, see my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my lips, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. There's no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me and you are you. We are special, don't you see?
So, students, here we have seen one video. Yes or no? Yes, we have seen one video. Now, students, we will read this poem. Okay? What we will do? We will read this poem. See my eyes, see my eyes, see my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my lips, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. Once again, see my eyes, see my eyes, see my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my lips, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. There's no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me, and you are you. We are special, don't you see? We are special, don't you see? Now, we will listen to an audio. Listen it carefully.
All of me. See my eyes, see my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my lips, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. There is no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me and you are you. We are special, don't you see?
Once again.
All of me. See my eyes, see my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my lips, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. There is no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me and you are you. We are special, don't you see?
Now, students, we will do the action with this poem. Okay? See. See my eyes. See my eyes. See my nose. You have to do action, okay, with me. See my nose. See my fingers. See my fingers. See my toes. See my toes. See my lips, see my lips, see my knee, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. There's no one in this whole wide world, exactly just like me, I am me, and you are you. I am me, and you are you. We are special, don't you see? So, students, have you seen how we are special? Do you see a person like me around you? No, because I am me and you are you. Okay? Now students, I will show you the parts which are mentioned in this. What is the first line of the poem? See my eyes. Okay? See my eyes. Are you able to see the eyes? Yes. These are the two eyes. See my eyes. See my nose. See my nose. See my eyes. See my nose. See my fingers. See my fingers. See my toes. See my toes. Fingers of legs or foot are called as toes. Okay. See my toes. See my lips. See my lips. Okay. Lips. See my lips. Then see my knee. See my knee. This is knee. Now you have seen all of me. Now you have seen all of me. So students, which body parts are mentioned in this poem? Yes. Eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. T-O-E-S, toes. T-O-E-S, toes. L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. So, these were the body parts shown in your textbook. So, now, the next part, once again we will repeat. There's no one in this whole wide world. There's no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me. I am me. And you are you. We are special. Don't you see? We are special. Don't you see? Now, students, you have to repeat the poem after me. See my eyes. Repeat after me. See my eyes. See my nose. See my nose. See my fingers. See my fingers. See my toes. Repeat after me. Yes, very good. See my toes. See my lips. See my lips. See my knee. See my knee. Now you have seen. Now you have seen all of me. Now you have seen all of me. Next stanza. There's no one. Repeat after me. There's no one in. There's no one in this whole wide world. There's no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me. I am me. And you are you. We are special. We are special. Don't you see? We are special. Don't you see? Yes. Very good. Now clap for yourself. Okay. Now, once again we will see the video of this poem. Listen it carefully.
It's poem time. Let's listen to See My See my nose, see my fingers, see my toes, see my lips, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. There's no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me and you are you. We are special, don't you see?
So, how do you feel, children? We are special, isn't it? Yes, I am also special and you are also special. Okay, now students, we will solve the questions based on this poem. Okay, now you have to give answers to me. What is? Evaluate. E-V-A-L-U-A-T-E. Evaluate. Understanding the poem. What we are going to do? Understanding the poem. On the basis of understanding the poem, we are going to solve the questions. UNDERSTANDING. Understanding the THE, the poem. POEM, poem. Tick the right options to complete these sentences. What we have to do? Yes, we have to tick the right options. First question, my eyes, E-Y-E-S eyes, N-O-S-E nose, and lips, L-I-P-S lips, are part of, tell me students, your eyes, nose and lips are the parts of, yes, are they parts of your head? No, they are the parts of your face. Yes or no? This is our face. And eyes, nose and lips are the parts of our face. Yes? Yes. Now next. My fingers are part of my, students, where are your fingers? Yes, these are the fingers. Now tell me students, my fingers are part of my legs or hands? Yes, fingers are the parts of our hands. Fingers of legs are called as toes. They have asked you about toes? No, they have asked you about fingers. My fingers are part of my hands. Next question. My toes are part of my. Now tell, toes are part of my. Are they part of your feet? Yes, they are the part of your feet. Are they part of your head? Are they part of your head? No, they are the part of our feet. Now, next question. In this world, there is no one exactly like me. Someone who is like me. According to poem, there is no one exactly like me. So, students, what we have completed? Understanding the poem. Now, next we are going to see language in use. What we are seeing? Language in use. L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. Language in. I-N in, use, U-S-E, use. See, now what is the next line? When there is more than one of anything or anybody, we add S at the end of the word. Students, see, whenever more than one thing or anything is there, if anything or anybody more than one is there, then we add S at the end of the word. We add S at the end of the word. Now, when, W-H-E-N, when, there, T-H-E-R-E, there, is, I-S, is, more, M-O-R-E, more, then, T-H-A-N, then, one, O-N-E, one, O-F, of, anything, A-N-Y, any, T-H-I-N-G, anything, or, O-R, or, anybody, A-N-Y-N-E, B-O-D-Y, body, anybody. We add S at the end of the word. Example, one eye. Only in this picture, how many eyes are there? Only one. So, it is one eye. Is there S at the end? No, there is no S at the end. But in this picture, how many eyes are there? How many eyes are there? Yes, two eyes are there. One, two. Two eyes are there. So, more than one we add S at the end. More than one eye we add S at the end. It is E-Y-E-S, eyes. This is I, one eye, two eyes. One eye, two eyes. Means more than one thing we add S. More than one thing we add S. That is eyes. Now next. One cat. How many cats are there in this picture? Only one. So it is one cat. C-A-T, cat. One cat. How many cats are there in this picture? One, two, three. Three cats. So we write C-A-T-S, cats. So we write C-A-T-S, cats. More than one cat? Cats. One cat. More than one cat? Cats. Here are some more examples. One pencil. How many pencils are there in this picture? One. One pencil. More than one pencil? Many pencils. S is there at the end. Yes or no? Isn't it? Yes. Many pencils. So, we have seen that pens, pencil. One eye, eye. More than one, eyes. One cat, three cats. One cat, three cats. One pencil, many pencils. One pencil, many pencils. Next, one girl. One girl. Two girls. How many girls are there in this picture? 2. 2 girls. We have added S at the end. Now, you have to tell me what should I write in these blanks. Okay, are you ready? Yes, and you have to write in your textbook also. Now see, write S after the words to show many. In this picture only one cake, in this picture 2 cakes. So it will come cakes. What it will come here? Cakes. C-A-K-E-S. Cakes. One cake, we have added S, that is cakes. This is one pin, pin. How many pins are there in this picture? We will count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means more than one pin. So what it will come here? Pins. P-I-N-S. Pins. What it will come? Pins. Next, orange. How many orange are there in this picture? Only one. This is orange. More than one orange? Oranges. How many oranges are there in this picture? 1, 2. 1, 2 means more than one. What it will come? Oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S. Oranges. What we have did? We have added S at the end to show many. Means to show more than one thing. Next, car. How many cars? Only one. More than one, 1, 2. So it will come here, cars. C-A-R-S. What it will come here? C-A-R-S. Cars. See, cake, cakes. Pin, pins. Orange, oranges. Car, cars. Okay. Now, we will see the next one. Before starting that, okay, we will see this. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. We have to fill the blanks with the words from this box. Okay. I see with my eyes. Yes, we see with our eyes. I eat with my, you eat with your mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. I hear with my ear. E-A-R-S, ears. I breathe through my nose. N-O-S-E, nose. I am writing with my hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay. Now once more see. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I eat with my mouth. I eat with my mouth. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I breathe through my nose. I write with my hand. So, students, we have completed here our exercise. Okay. So, students, what we have learnt in this poem? We have learnt body parts also, and we have also solved evaluate exercise and in that we have seen the functions also. Okay. Thank you. Take care.